Hey, how you doing? My name is Zachary, and I just want to show you a quick fix on if you have a plugged sink. If you have a sink, a kitchen sink that has a 2-into-1 junction, like it's two different sinks, and it goes two pipes into one for the drain, and it also has possibly a incinerator, which is food disposal, waste disposal, which is not designed for as much waste as everyone thinks. But if you have a sink that's plugged, the best thing to do is to approach the sink, get yourself a plunger, fill the sink with water, fill it with water. And then what you're doing is you're creating a volume above the plug. So this particular sink is leaking primarily on the right side, and the left side is usually the side that I rinse dishes in, because I work from right to left. And that's, you know, if you can appreciate how a kitchen works, that's the way it is. You know, if you're right-handed, it's from right to left. So we'll fill that sink up with water, and then what you do is, once you get a little water pressure behind the plunger, when you get the water in the sink, you let a little water down the pipe and free it up. Okay? You can free it up and you can hear it let loose. You can hear it pulling. You can see it pulling. So now, you put that plunger back over the hole for a second, or if you have a basket that plugs the hole, plug the hole, but put some more water in there, fill that sink up as much as you can, and then pull the plunger out of the way and let it wash all that crap out of there. That's the best thing I can tell you to do. And it works. So try it. Beats a 4-hour minimum charge from the plumber, who charges $60 an hour. So when they come to play with that sink because you were too stupid to not put so many potatoes down there, that's $240. So hopefully you found some value in this post, and I'm the most sincere with that. Have a good day.